Today I'm going to show you how to make the coziest lentil soup. It's perfect for those chilly days inside, or if you're Jamaican and you just like to make soup on Saturday evenings, this is perfect. I soak the lentils in water and baking soda to make them soft. I boil them and then I blend them. I add these seasonings to the pot along with coconut milk, Irish potatoes, yam and carrots. Once it boils, I add the blended lentils. I know, it looks like, you know what? Never mind. This gives the soup a thick consistency and makes it easier to digest. Dumplings are a must, and to add even more flavor, I add this fish tea mix. You can use any flavor you like. This seasons the pot and gives it even more thickness. And you can add some sugar as well. This makes it very yummy. This nice, man.
You ain't eat none?
No?
Then they make me go enjoy all of that before you think you eat and left.
Wow, this tastes good.
Purpose is a creamy night.